Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be talking about how to hide your followers on Instagram. So for you to be able to hide your followers on Instagram, what you have to do is simple. So you have to I'll be giving you two steps on how to do that. The first one is to tap on your profile, tap on your followers, select the follower you wish to hide. Let me tap on the first follower here. Tap on okay. Now tap on the three dots at the right corner, tap on restrict account. So if I tap on restrict account, these followers will be hidden from other followers. They say they won't see when you are online and when you read their message. The messages to you will be moved to message request. Only you and they will be able to see the new comments. So this follower will be hidden from other people immediately I tap restricted. So the next thing now I can do is to be able to hide my followers on Instagram is to tap on my profile this way, tap on these three dots at the right corner, tap on account privacy. So when I turn this toggle of private accounts now, you say only followers will be able to see your photo and videos. This won't change who can message, tag or mention you, but will be able to tag people who don't follow you. So this no one can reuse your content. All Reels, posts, and stories that previously used your content in future, like remix, sequences, templates, and or stickers, will be deleted. If you switch back to public with the account within 24 hours, they will be restored. So if I switch to private account, it is going to be everything about my Instagram and my followers will be hidden from other people that are not my followers. So guys, if this video was helpful, do well to like, subscribe, share and hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload a video. Thanks for watching.